On the field today are Kyleigh Monroe, assistant drum major, and drum major, I will try to get this right. Kyleigh Monroe and Gabriel Cuevas. Along with the dedicated student leadership team, band captain Makayla Mincey, woodwind captain Chloe Nelson, brass captain Carlee Clark, drumline captains Brendon Ward and Layton Knight, front ensemble captain Durham Rogers, color guard captain Americus Arnold, flute section leader Marlen Arroyo, clarinet section leader Leader-Julieonna Arnold, alto sax section leader Lugo, low reed section leader Mutcherson, low brass section leader Joseph Banks, lead librarian Baldwin, Lieutenant Kendall Lanier. Their show title, and I'm going to try to get this right, E Matador y la Rosa, featuring the following selections. Part 1, clarinet solo, Kyleigh Monroe. Part 2, flute quartet, Chloe Nelson, Esmeralda Enriquez, Kyleigh Dyer, Emily Aureliano, and alto sax duet, Lugo and Josephine Martinez. Part 3, low brass duet, Makayla Mincey and Joseph Banks. Drum major, is the band ready? The Sound of Pride marching band, you may now take the field of competition in performance.
Let's go, SOP! Let's go, SOP! Let's go, SOP! Let's go, SOP!
Give it up for the Sound of Pride marching band from Tattnall County High School.